Hello guys, my name is Marvin, and on this channel I talk about step-by-step tutorials on how you can make money online and different steps you can take to avoid scams online, to avoid being duped online. Okay, so on this channel I'll be saying a lot about how you can make free money online and different other ways. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be talking about crypto exchanges. Crypto exchanges. So I'll be talking about crypto exchanges, the different types of crypto exchanges, the different ways you can keep your wallet and funds safe from scams, and I'll also be dropping a secret way or a secret feature you can use to be making free money from exchanges on a monthly basis. So if this sounds like what you want for yourself, I want you to stick around with me to the end of this video so that you get something for yourself. Now let's begin. All right. So crypto exchanges, I want you to see them as digital banks or online banks where cryptocurrencies can be stored or saved for future usage. Okay, you can also see crypto exchanges as the marketplace, online marketplace, or the meeting point between a buyer of cryptocurrency and a seller of cryptocurrency. That meeting point where the buyer of a cryptocurrency or a seller of a cryptocurrency meet together, that place they meet is what we refer to as crypto exchange. Okay, so you can say crypto exchange is actually the place where cryptocurrencies can be swapped from one form to another, can be changed from one form to another, can be traded, can be saved for future use. That is how you can explain or define crypto exchanges. Okay, so these platforms, most of them appear in mobile apps. Some of them appear in websites. So on these platforms, users like you and I can sign up accounts and start either buying or selling cryptocurrencies or swapping from one form of cryptocurrencies to another. Okay, so that is crypto exchange for you. Now, there are different types of crypto exchanges. Number one, we call this type centralized exchanges. Centralized exchanges. So on this type of exchanges, these centralized exchanges, there are features, there are things that characterize this type of exchanges. Number one, you can buy your cryptocurrencies with your local currency. I mean your country currency, you can buy with your local currency. That is a feature of centralized exchange. Another feature is that suppose you forgot your password to log into your account on a centralized exchange, there's a feature that is called forgot password. When you click on it, you have an opportunity to change or reset your password. Okay, so there is another thing that you should know about centralized exchanges. There are several features in it where you can now see something like P2P. They call it peer-to-peer. That is, you'll be able to sell the cryptocurrencies back into your local currency, either your Ghana cedis or Nigerian naira. Okay, so that is a feature of a centralized exchange. Okay, so that is centralized exchange for you. There are examples of them that I have that I need to share with you. One of them is Binance. This is the most trusted globally, Binance. Okay, then number two, you have Bybit. Number three, you have KuCoin, you have Bitmart, you have BitGet, you have Mexi, and a whole lot of others. There are too many. Okay, so those are called centralized exchanges. Then number two, we have the one they call decentralized exchanges. These exchanges, they are the ones that are characterized with control, management, and usage all depends on the user. Okay, just in the case of centralized exchange, you have the opportunity to reset your password on decentralized exchanges, if you create your wallet, for example, if you create a wallet on decentralized exchange or create an account on decentralized exchange and you happen to forget what is called private key, or you forgot what is called seed phrase or secret phrase, you will not be able to click somewhere they call forgot password or forgot secret phrase. So if you actually lost your secret phrase or passcode or whatever it is, you will not be able to like recover it back again. So extra caution is needed when you are dealing with decentralized exchanges. So when you are creating your wallet, it is advisable for you to write down and also screenshot so that you save it somewhere else in case anything should happen to your device. You have a backup to have access back into your wallet and recover your funds. Okay, so examples of these decentralized exchanges include but not limited to MetaMask, BitGet Wallet, Trust Wallet, and a whole lot of others. Another thing I need to tell you, for those that already have exchanges, let's assume you have MetaMask or you have wallet, you created wallet with MetaMask or you are using them already. I want to quickly tell you that you should keep your wallets very safe. If you are going through online and you see a link that says click on this link to make $2,000 within 10 minutes, and you click on it and they are asking you to input your secret phrase or your private key, do not try it. You will lose all your funds in that wallet if you try it. So stay away from those phishing sites and stay away from get quick rich schemes. Okay? Do not put your seed phrase there. Stay away. Do not try it. So in the next video, I want to be talking about I want to show us practically how you can create your seed, what's it called, your centralized exchange, create an account with centralized exchange, and I'll also show you how you can create wallet on decentralized exchanges like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and the others. I will show you step by step on how to do that. So if you have not, you just wait for the video so that you don't make mistakes. Okay, I'll be posting it very soon this weekend. Okay, so just stay and wait for the video. For those that already have, keep your phone safe. So if you have watched up to this point and you have learned something, I want you to hit the like button and click on the subscribe button so that when I drop another video, you'll be able to see it on time. And there is another thing that you need to do. Click on the bell icon. Click on it, and you should be able to turn on the notification bell on so that when I drop the next tutorial, you'll be the first to see it. The secret that I want to show you now, that I want to tell you, is on centralized exchanges. Okay, you have the opportunity to make free money on some centralized exchanges. So in the next video, I will drop it. Those that already have account, I want you to locate a tab on the home page of either Binance or Bybit or even KuCoin, and you see what they call mega drop or airdrops. You see the ones that are completely free, where you can actually like do some social tags like following some Twitter handles, liking a Facebook page, joining a Telegram channel, or commenting on a post. Social tags as simple as that for you to participate on these airdrops or giveaways. So I want you to go right there if you already have an account to participate in these giveaways, and you sure make a free money before the end of the month. Okay, so that is all I have for you for this video. Go right into the comment section and I want you to tell me what you learned in this video. Something you learned in this video, I want you to drop it in the comment section. Something new that you learned in the video, I want you to drop it in the comment section. So that will be all for this video. I will see you in the next video. Like this video, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. God bless.